Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It's going to be another one of those days, let me tell you. It's starting off crazy already. So, it is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Right now, stocks are poised for big gains right out of the hole this morning. And there are three reasons for that. Number one, we just found out another 2 or 3 million people lost their jobs. I forgot the exact number. That brings the total to 33.5 million people that have lost their jobs in just the last 7 weeks. That is staggering, absolutely staggering. But you know how it works. You get bad economic news, this market wants to go up. Okay, the Dow is poised for about a 300-point gain right at the open. The second reason why stocks are poised for gains here is apparently, and you can't make this stuff up if you wanted to or if you tried to, trade talks with China are going well again. Yeah, I'd be willing to bet that they're not. This is a ploy to prop up the stock market. Okay, the third reason why stocks are poised for gains here, crude oil is up over 9%. I explained to you yesterday the mechanism. You know how it works. The only reason why the Dow and the S&P finished slightly negative yesterday, the Nasdaq finished positive, was because of crude oil. Well, today we got a nice, very nice boost with regard to crude oil. So you got three factors working for this market right now. Abysmal economic news, and I mean off the Richter scale, abysmal. Number two, you got China trade talks going well. President Trump and Xi are in love again. And then you got crude oil being pushed up here. I don't even know why it's higher, but that's the mechanism. Let's talk about a few other assets here. The dollar is slightly lower. This should be positive. Should, in a real world, be positive for gold and silver. We'll see how that plays out today. It's the most rigged market in the history of the world. I'm referring to the precious metals market, but it's all rigged. Bitcoin is just about 9,400 right now, and it's going higher. And that means the other major cryptos are going higher with it. The 10-year yield is hovering at about 0.7. So that's the situation this morning. That's where we are. We got to see how this thing plays out throughout the rest of the day. But look, the fact that this is a big one too, that they're floating out a story with regard to U.S. and China trade talks are going well again, this is very stock market positive. True or not, they float out these stories, it'll boost the market. Millions more people losing their jobs. This is stock market positive in an upside down, twisted environment. Crude being bid higher, obviously stock market positive. It boosts the energy sector. It boosts the financial sector. Stocks go up. That's it. It's pretty twisted. Anyway, for you gearheads out here, yesterday I bought myself a new toy, and if you want to have a look at it, I posted pictures on my Facebook page and Twitter. I bought a 1968 Camaro Super Sport. It's got a aluminum head 406 race motor in it. It's got a Dana rear, and it's outrageously fast, and it's crazy. Anyway, we're a family. I figured I'd share that with you. So if you want to see it, I'm going to do a video with this car, and I'll post it up for you gearheads out here. Give me a week or two on that. Anyway, if you want to see the car, just go to my Facebook page or my Twitter feed. It's pretty insane. All right, love you a lot. I hope I put a perspective on this twisted market. It's absolutely ridiculous what we're seeing here. Again, more bad economic news, stocks go up. Crude oil higher. Okay, I don't understand why President Trump thinks that's so great for the middle class, although it's not. We all know that. It's just, they got to be lied to on an epic scale. And of course, the China trade talks are going well again. Can't make it up, but that's the reality of the situation. So stocks are poised for gains. Nice gains at the open. See you later. Please share the video. Check out my Camaro.